Jennifer, we've been doing a lot of work over the last few months around the integration of Foresight with human-centric change. What do you think you've learned?
I think the biggest learning is that people actually like the idea of using people-centric change. They like the idea of using Foresight to help people be future ready and resilient. They think it sounds like the right thing that they need to be doing. But when you start to take a look at it and pull it apart, people think that it is something that is quite complicated. And as a result, they make the decision that it is complicated and that it's going to be difficult, and therefore it gets put into that difficult box, rather than actually realizing it actually is quite simple. And we do similar things every day in our everyday lives, but we don't think about it like that, and therefore that's not something that we think is being complicated, because it's just, well, of course we would do that. And I think it's bringing that, what we need to do is bring that into the business side of things.
For me, it's also as simple as thinking that we need to think and use different approaches to resolve problems in a different way.
Yes.
Because we risk doing what we've always done and getting what we've always got. And it was Einstein that said we actually need to use new thinking, otherwise we just repeat the problems that we've generated in the past.
Exactly that. And we all know that we need to be doing something different. As leaders of organizations, there's a plethora of different articles and conversations going on how we need to do something differently. But what people are struggling to actually quantify and ask and understand is, what is that? And I think that's where we can help make it simple and say, all right, if we pull these things together, drill that down in the very simplest of terms, so that it becomes easily adaptable. It's something we can implement and becomes actionable.
It's basically a toolbox, isn't it? And we pull the right tools out for the right job.
Yes, that's exactly it. And it's something that you and I have been working on a lot together, and we can help others do that in a very easy way.
It's an investment in the future. It's an investment in the organisation, isn't it?
And an investment in the now and staying and surviving.